Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda Mae Gray. Today, we're going to cut my own hair for all you quarantine friends out there. To be fair, I've been doing this way before quarantine. I've actually been cutting my own hair for about 7 or 8 years now. I have real world experience, and typically it looks pretty darn good. The first thing I actually do is flat iron it out. I like to have it nice and straight so that I can actually see where all the ends are and know what length they're at. Once you get it nice and flat, then what you're going to do is tie up half of it to get it out of your way. I then part the back, right down the middle, pull it to the front so I can see what it is I'm dealing with. I also have actual shears that I use. I do not use just your kitchen scissors, some other scissors. I use real hairdressing scissors. And then I just kind of go with the lines that are already there. Pull it together, make sure it's nice and smooth and even at the ends, and then just snippity snip snip snip, snip snip. Do this in your bathroom so you don't make a hot mess. But I will go back in and just kind of tidy it up, flatten it out. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing here. I probably should dictate as I'm cutting. I'm sure some hairdresser is gonna be like, OMG, you're doing it wrong. There's gonna be like a reaction video to this. This side's a little bit longer. Just keep trimming it. Okay. Just make sure it's even. You're gonna have to go over it a few times. Now you can see there's some like shorter pieces naturally. I'll go back in once the rest of that hair is down and take care of that. Once it's all down, then I try to do my best part right in the middle. It's not science. And you don't want to go like from here to here. You can see the difference there, longer and the shorter. So now I'm going to take it to match it up. Same over here. On the lengths. Pretty good. You can flip it up like this to look at yourself, and if you had it taut here, it should be in the same position here, so you can kind of get a better view. Already looks better. But I want layers. I want a little bit, a light layer in the front. So, watch this. I'm going to do a small section in the front. Make sure you do that hairdresser thing and clear out the extra. And I'm going to make sure it's nice and even. Can you see that? Brush it. And then I'm going to cut this whole bit. Take a section at a time. Flatten. Look at that, that's terrible. Flatten. And then we're going to go at an angle. Ta-da! Chop. Look, it doesn't have to be perfect. Okay. That's really the basic